On today's video, we're going to try this flat African threading on this short natural hair. You guys, styling this hair, parting this hair is not easy. So I'm going to use this molding gel wax by Black Chick. I like it so much. It doesn't leave the white residues. It makes my hair smooth and shiny. But I need another one because this one is almost gone. This one is gone. So after applying the gel wax, I comb my hair so that it can give the clean look. I want to look clean, I want to look polished, so that's what I'm doing. So this hair, on this hairstyle I am using Brazilian wool because I don't have the normal wool. So this one is a Brazilian wool. So if you don't have the normal one, you can use the Brazilian wool. Both of them are nice. You can use either Brazilian or normal wool. So if you are wondering why I'm using this wax, it's because it also helps to slay the hair down, because I don't want to look like I have this kind of short hair. So this one keeps the hair slayed. And if you don't want to apply any products to your hair, any gel products to your hair, you can just skip the process and style your hair without any gels and waxes. And if you want to achieve this look without any gels, please reduce your paddings. Make sure your paddings are thinner than mine, because if they are big, it's not going to be neat. But make sure they are thinner than mine so that it can be neat and clean. And if you have any question regarding this hairstyle, please feel free to leave your question on the comment section down below. I will get to you as soon as I can. Before I forget, please, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you like my content, please make sure you subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? So to cover the hair at the back, I'm going to use this wig. It doesn't have any combs. I got it from one of our beauty supply stores. It's just a normal wig. It's a synthetic wig. It doesn't have any combs, so I'm going to install the bobby pin to secure the wig. And if you don't like wigs, you can also do crochet. You can play around, clip-ins. You can do a lot of things. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. It's a cute hairstyle, and please do let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you can. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next video.